Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include diesel gray black heavy-duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, rear wheelhouse liners, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS, STD, clearance lamps and flame red clear coat. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to